Hello YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you how to make your BB gun stronger. Alright, first thing you're going to do is take out your clip or your magazine, whatever you call it, and put it to the side. Then you're going to get your thumb and just pull the top off. And take this. Well, I have one of these. I'm not sure if you guys have one of these, but this one does. So put this to the side. Now, when you want to pull this out, just pull it back and pull it up. Then I'm going to slightly stretch this, but just pull it. Just keep pulling it. It hurts your hands, so you might want to wear thick clothes or something. But oops, sorry. You just pull it. Alright. Now you're just going to put your gun back together. You should notice that it's a lot stronger than it was before, and also it's longer. Put the main spin back on. Put this and then. And there you have a stronger BB gun. Have fun with that. So thanks for watching. Now the BB gun should be a whole lot stronger. See you later.